Do you want a better digestion? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want a glowing skin? Then, eat more papaya frequently. Papaya is an incredible food. And who doesn't like it, right? It is rich in nutrients. Papaya goes well with different foods and, thanks to its many benefits, is considered a home remedy. Did you know that? It is super rich in vitamin C. Papaya has up to 10 times more of this component than an orange and substances that help lower the damages caused by excess stress and protect the nervous system. Did you know that a bloated belly and constipated intestine bother many people? A natural laxative like papaya can relieve the intestine thanks to an enzyme called papain, which favors digestion. Because of its high fiber and water content and low calories, papaya can regulate intestinal function and make the digestive tract healthier, helping in cases of constipation. Eating papaya also makes your skin prettier, younger, and healthier. Did you know that? If you dream of having glowing, young skin, papaya is what you need. Its properties tone and keep the skin elasticity, slowing down the visible signs of aging and antioxidative stress. Besides, papaya is great for lightening dark spots on the skin. Besides the pulp and seeds, the papaya leaves are also good for our health. The extract of papaya leaf contains anti-inflammatory nutrients that reduce inflammation in the body. It also protects us against the flu and cold, boosting the immune system and preventing certain diseases and allergic disorders. Because it is a great anti-inflammatory, papaya also takes care of our bones, cartilage, muscles, joints, tendons, and teeth. And it helps reduce the risk of muscle cramps. Another property of papaya that proves it is a great natural medicine is that the fruit can lower glucose and cholesterol levels in people with diabetes mellitus. People who have this disease have higher chances of having high cholesterol. The dietary fibers help control glycemia. Also, papaya acts on blood pressure and can control both health issues. Isn't that incredible? Oh, papaya is also good for memory. Did you know? According to studies, papaya helps improve concentration and memory and gives you more mental agility thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory effect on the brain. Also, the same studies revealed that papaya can lower inflammation and reduce by 40% oxidative stress in the brain of Alzheimer's patients. Now, an extra benefit, papaya helps you have a good night's sleep. Eating papaya reduces stress on the following day. Did you know that? Although papaya is a great fruit for our health and can be eaten daily, you should be careful since excessive consumption may not be beneficial. Pregnant women should avoid eating green papaya due to the high levels of latex, which may lead to miscarriage or premature labor and other issues. Ripe papayas are safe since they contain little to no latex. Did you know all these benefits of papaya? Do you like to add this nutritious, tasty fruit to your recipes? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend and family. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.